Okay, so installing this Tom's version 2 is pretty simple. It's designed to bolt in, but there is a couple of stuff you got to do. I personally did not use these guys too much. That's what they're designed to. That's what the kit comes. These little screws, and basically you just screw them all in the bottom, right? And then the holes are already pre-drilled, so it just kind of goes through the bumper and holds like that. I didn't do that. So I'll let you know what I did. I ended up going with the double-sided tape, just like it says here. Just ran a little bead all the way through. Okay. And then I lined up both of my holes here. Okay. But I held the center up so it wouldn't touch the double-sided tape. And then, but I put my both bolts on the sides, and then I eased it onto the double-sided tape. Then once it was nice and tucked there, then I started drilling my little holes basically all the way through. So that's what I did. What I ended up using was some bolts, some washers on the other side, on the inside, and some nuts. So basically, I'll show you what I did. I didn't use them in everything, but so that's how it ends up being the inside, right? So so I ended up using a screw there, a little screw there that came in, but screw there, then you got a washer with a bolt right there. Okay, screw there, and then there's a bolt there. I gotta put the washer on it right now. Then a screw, and then this was where the fender liner attaches, and then there's a bolt goes through there and a bolt goes through there. So that's what I did. That's the better way. That way, I mean, even if you have some impacts or whatever, it's not gonna come off. So hope that helped, guys, and I'll keep on in the installation. Alrighty, so there she is on the car. Show you how the bottom is. I don't have all the shields on there yet. I mean, but she goes to there, mounts there. This thing looks so shiny with the ceramic, and then it mounts there. Mounts there, mounts there, and all the mount holes, and then if you run your shield engine cover, that goes in there, and then you can bolt those up, which I will, but that'll be tomorrow. But that's you gotta get an idea of how it looks. So then it just kind of contours up a little bit, and just mold it here so let the air come in. Alrighty, so there she is on the ground. It was a concern for me to see how much space there was between my quick jacks. So, yep, I got plenty, even with the rubbers in place. I got plenty of space there. So, let me pull it out and show y'all the car more like under the sun. Okay, so here I stopped in here on the side of the road. I can take a look at it on the car. Excuse the car, man. It's so dirty, you know. Just came back from the track not too long ago. This should get everybody some ideas of how it looks. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. See you on the next one.